Hey, how's it going, Mario? This is Devin Norton. Thank you so much for speaking to me again. And I'm just going to really quickly in this video show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix very easy so you can bring in more customers. I know you're wondering why I'm making this video for you. It's easy. I found out there's a lot of business owners out there that just don't have the time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more customers because they're so busy with their business. So what I do is I give away these free videos showing people how to fix their website. Some people do it themselves, some people call me back, but whatever you want to do with this information is free, is okay with me. It's just free information. I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. Your website is a beautiful site, by the way. I love all the photos and how it moves, fluid like that. It's a beautiful looking website. What Google cares most about is this content. They want to see a lot of this content. So they want to see about 2,000 words. And right now, your whole website has 195 words on the home page. So you want to get that closer to about 2,000. This is your main competitor, Air Depot. They're #1 in Cypress. And if you go and look, these guys have a lot more words, but they don't have 2,000. So if you get 2,000 words, you're going to beat them. So make sure you get yourself to 2,000 words on this page. Also, you want to put keywords in there. So like AC Repair Cypress TX. 800 people search this every single month, so you want to have that inside of your content. So if I go look, you don't have that. You have that 0 times on your page. So you want to make sure that when you're writing those 2,000 words, you put that in there too. Okay. The second thing you want to do is you want to have more websites linking to you. That's called a backlink whenever another website links to you. But Google wants to see relevant websites linking to you. So they're going to give you more power if you have another air conditioning company that links to your website instead of having like Pizza Hut, because Pizza Hut doesn't do what you do, right? So if you go over here, you see that this is the tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it just tells you what's going on in the back end of websites. It says you have no websites linking to you. Air Depot, they have 179 websites linking to them. So what you need to do is get about 200 websites linking to you, and the best way to do this is to copy them. You just go look at all these different websites that they have linking to them, and you go visit these websites and you get those links back to you. A lot of the times you just have to create a profile, and then in your profile description just put a link to your website, and that'll be good enough to get one of these. So you have to get about 200, but once you get 200 of these, that's how you beat them and you take this #1 spot. If you want to be #1 right here, you just have to pay more for advertising, but if you want to be #1 right here, this is free. You need to have more citations. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories. A directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information. So like, Yelp is a directory, Yellow Page is a directory, Home Advisor is a directory, stuff like that. So I would figure out what directories Cypher is in. I would list myself in those same ones, and then I would add a lot more. So if they had 150 directories with their names in it, I would put my name, address, and phone number in like 300 directories so I can beat them like crazy. So that's all I've got for you, Mario. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this very short and to the point. Just as a quick reminder, you want 2,000 words on this page. You want to have more websites linking to you than Air Depot. You want like 200 websites linking to you. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Cypher. And Mario, if you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become #1 on all of Google. So I recommend you start on this stuff as soon as possible, because the quicker you start, the quicker you rank up and take these spots. And when you take these spots, that's when you make a lot of money. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is right down here at the bottom. If you want any help with this, you can always call me at any time. Leave me a voicemail or shoot me a text message. Preferably call or voicemail. But either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.